Hi, this is Muad from JB Academy. As I promised you, there will be GAT series of lessons which talk about اختبار القدرات باللغة الإنجليزية. Of course, this is very important for the international school students. Here we have two questions. In this question, as you know, I'm discussing the quantitative part of قدرات or GAT. Today I will talk about the parallel lines, and these kinds of questions are very familiar and common in قدرات test. I have two questions. Here I start. Find x. They give you this figure and they ask you to find the value of the angle x. Here, as you can see, these two lines are parallel because they are perpendicular on the same line. So from this point we can draw third line which is parallel to both of them. Here we have these two lines. Now x will be split into two or split into two parts. We can call them 1 and 2. Now this part, which is x1, is equal to 40 because alternate interior. So this angle x1 will be 40. It's congruent to this angle because of interior alternate. And this angle, which is 2, will be equal to 30 because alternate interior with 30. Because this line and this line are parallel, and this angle, which we call 2 and 30, are congruent or equal because interior alternate. So x will be 30 plus 40 equals 70. This similar question, but we don't depend on this question on interior alternate angles. We depend on parallel lines, but here we want to focus on interior angles. Now we want to find the value of the angle x. What's the value of x? Now, as you can see, they are parallel lines. These two lines are parallel. So we draw another line, third line, which is parallel to them. Now this line separates x into two equal or two parts. Two parts. This part 1 and this part 2. Now to find the value of x, I need to find the value of angle 1 and value of angle 2. Angle 1 and this angle, which is 110, they are interior angles. So they add up to 180. So to find the angle 1 measure, I made 180 minus 110 equals 70. So angle 1 will be 70 degrees. And angle 2, the same way, you can see this and this are parallel lines. So angle 2 and the angle 120 is interior angles. They add up to 180. So to find the measure of angle 2, we make 180 minus 120 equals 60. So now to find the value of angle x, we add 70 plus 60 equals 130. As you can see, these two questions are similar in the strategy of drawing third parallel line. Then we depend on two ways. Here in this question, we depend on the interior angles are adding up to 180, and here we can focus on the interior alternate angles. They are congruent. If you like the video, press like and subscribe my channel for more videos about قدرات in English language, which we call GAT, the quantitative part or quantitative section. Thank you very much.